This 5-minute solution will show you how to recover Instagram closed account. To recover your permanently closed Instagram account, follow these steps. Open your browser and type instagram.com/support. And here tap on check your account status on Instagram. Select your device and now tap on this menu icon. Tap on manage your account. Tap on signing up and getting started. Scroll down. Was this helpful? Tap on no. Tap on other. And in this box, you have to carefully describe that you want to recover your Instagram account, and make sure to attach your Instagram account username, password, your Instagram account email address, and after that submit this feedback, and that's how you will be able to recover your Instagram permanently closed account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.